It's Justin with Venom Global. Today we're going to show you how quick and easy you can install one of our new Venom gated shifters for the Turbo RZR. First thing we're going to do is remove the seats. Next we're going to remove the stock shifter. After you get the cover off, you remove the retaining screw. Then you'll remove the boot. Next we'll remove the console by removing the 5 push clips and the 2 retaining screws. Then we'll just push the seatbelt boots back through the console. Next thing we're going to do is remove the cable pin, then the retaining C-clip. And your new Venom gated shifter will come with all necessary hardware for the install. It comes with the shifter, the new gated plate, and all accessory hardware. Now we're going to mount the gate to the shifter. For some extreme usage, you'll want to use both mounting tabs. To do so, you'll have to drill the top hole in the factory bracket. When installing the bracket, the straight side of the bracket goes down. Once you've got them both started, you can go ahead and tighten the hardware down. So next, we'll install the spring washer, then your new Venom shifter. Brass bushing, and the factory C-clip. Now we're going to install the shifter pin using the factory hardware. We're going to use the center adjustment, which should be the closest to your factory settings. Now we're going to reinstall the factory console. To install the shifter boot, you'll want to enlarge the shifter opening by cutting about a 1/4 inch down from the top of the shifter boot. Now, reinstall the seats. For any final adjustments, you would adjust the cable at the transmission bracket. With the thumb control gate, you're able to positive shift into every gear setting. Now that you've got your new Venom shifter installed, now it's time to go enjoy the trails.